Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a doll's dress. So we need to make it a bit wider there. Okay, now we just start from here. Because we're making a dress. I did this already, Mommy. It has to wrap around, so we're making it wider to wrap around. Okay, there we go. But we follow the shape of the body. Okay, let's make them more. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now we just need to do single archways. Perfect. Okay, now we just do the down of the dress. Perfect. Oh, it's such a big dress. Wow. Nice. Now we just need to put some designs. It's so big. Wow. Okay. Also, now need to add some distance onto it. Okay. Oh, wow. This looks really big. I made a belt, but now we need to make a bow on the top. There we go. We do like this. Perfect. It's like a Hello Kitty bow. There we go. Now what we're gonna do on the top, for here, it's gonna be a little rose. There we go. And also, we need to do on here is some bit like this. Not from the middle of the bow. You just need to do it on the down of the bow. So it looks like that it's going right here. Yeah, okay. Let's color now. But first I need to do these ones a little bit. Well, some part of here. Look, guys, this is so cool. It looks like a Cinderella dress. Okay, now, since the upper part's like that, now let's color it in. Now let's start coloring. So where we're gonna color the blue is right underneath here. Very gently. Make sure you do it in the lines. There we go. Coloring here. Okay. So cool. Wow. Dark blue. I love dark blue. Okay, let's color it. Focusing. Okay. You can do it around here. Purple is so cool. Whoa. Nice. Don't go outside of the line. Just stay inside. Okay, we're done here. Now the other side too. Stick some purple here. Okay. Have to be really careful like this. I can do it in the middle of the bow. Pink. It's a bit dark pink, but it likes purple. Purple, I mean. Whoop. Dark purple. It's like red pink, I mean. Try to use a lighter purple. Let's see how it looks like. Maybe we can do one color purple on this side and another color on the other side. Okay. Now, I used green already. Which color do you think I should pick? Green again? Okay. There we go. We're done with the green now, and there's two parts left of the dress color. It's the belt and the flower. Beautiful. We can do this part. I choose yellow for the belt. And the dress already looks beautiful, but after the belt, there's the flower left. Okay, now we're done and we still have the flower. Okay, which color? Wow, it already looks beautiful. Which color do you think I should pick? Think. I know! Maybe I can use this color again. It's like red, but it's pink like red. Color it carefully. Okay, we're done. Wow, the dress looks really beautiful. Now it's time to cut it out. Okay, please kids, use plastic scissors so you don't hurt yourself. Even if the white is showing, guys, it's okay. It's gonna be wrapped around the doll. So now I'm gonna show you how to put the dress around your doll. You can ask your parents to help you to put some glue, scotch tape, or stapler. Look how beautiful she is. See you next time, guys. Bye.